docks here, or one of our ramps. We have several in Hendersonville. This is one of them. When we had our boat, we'd come down here, and there's restrooms right over there. So we'd pull up, we'd tie off. You know, all of us girls, we had to get out, go to the bathroom every now and then. So Tommy would bring us here. But this is down. The dam is on further down that way. This way goes on back up into Hendersonville. Hendersonville has basically two peninsulas in it that goes down, jets down, surrounding Old Hickory Lake. And we're basically on the second peninsula right now that goes down into the lake. The water's kind of choppy today, windy. Those guys over there we think are here building a dock. Tommy thinks they'll build it here and float it to whoever they're building it for.
Gotta get the sea legs back.
Yeah, dock's kind of wavy. It's nice, isn't it? It is. Yeah. But it's a beautiful day. Really pretty. Water. Okay. Oh, you're gonna go talk to him?
This island, if you zoom in, you can see a duck blind there. They built a duck blind on that island. You see it? Looks like a big pond. Well, it's always
yeah, but the water's been up, so I think maybe it's. Oh, I see it. He's going to be nosy. Yeah. Hey, buddy, we're trying to take a break. What a pretty day it is. It's windy. It'll be choppy out on water today. One of our parks. This is called Saundersfoot Park. No, I got my park song confused right now. I'll figure it out and I'll put up a graphic. But it has a whole bunch of picnic areas and stuff.
So this is going to be somebody's, like you're going to build this dock, and then you haul it to somebody's. This is actually someone's dock, we're just repairing it.
Wow.
And it's like somebody lives on this lake.
Right.
And
We're putting a roof on it at the moment.
Yeah.
Once we get the roof done, we'll bring our boat over and we'll push it down where the walkway on it.
Just like an old days when we wrapped down roof.
Yeah. Yeah. Weeks worth of work.
And you guys will probably stay busy all summer.
Oh, it's when the water comes way up, you see all these poles that are on the dock?
Yeah.
Well, when it comes way up and they drop them down, they get stuck on the spud poles. See that spud pole right there is shorter than all the rest?
Yeah.
Well, this one specifically, when it came up, we had to fix it because when it came
got
up,
it
it came
got
up
above
above
the
the pole, and then when it tried to come back down, the pole.
Right.
Oh my
So I guess you take a boat and move the dock.
We'll lift the dock up and then move the pole back over.
That's hard work. Hard work.
Yeah, we had to quit today because the wind was so strong. We're over here on ladders trying to get stuff done. It's just blowing the wind.
Oh my goodness.
Hey guys, thank y'all so much.
Thank
It's
you.
interesting to us.
Yeah.
Just that we don't need the wooden docks.
Yeah, we like to do steel docks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. This is, we were over there before on that one. Now we're on this one. So I guess they have 3 of them here. So I'm going out on this one. Boy, it's moving. It's like, oh, that's a nice boat down there. See if it comes out on the other side, if it goes up towards here. It's on the other side of that island right now.
That's a big, nice boat.
Yeah.
That's 40-footer at least.
It's pretty.
So the guys had to give it up for the day because the water's too choppy. They can't
Oh, yeah.
nail stuff together with it.
Oh, yeah.
And they normally do steel docks, make it out of aluminum and steel, but the customer was on a budget, so they're making it out of wood.
What is this?
This is a composite.
That's what I thought.
It
composite.
never weathers or. Oh, it's a beautiful boat.
Isn't it pretty? Where'd it go? There it
Let's
is.
go to the next boat ramp and see what we see.
Okay. We'll be back in a minute. This is another boat ramp up here. And this one is, what's this one called?
I have no idea.
I forgot.
But there's like 3 boat ramps around the loop of the peninsula.
The second peninsula. Or the first peninsula, yeah, the one we're on.
The first peninsula.
And the trees over there, you see, that's on the second peninsula. And that's where we live over down
that
there,
side.
on that side. Well, there's a lot of trash up from the water dam. Yeah, when we were here last week, it was way up here.
Oh yeah.
You couldn't even see the ramp hard.
The parks along out in Hendersonville, they are beautiful parks. Good place to go hang out. Mallard Point Park.
Mallard Point, that's right.
So, and that's, what marina is that? That's Drake's
That's
Creek.
Drake's Creek Marina.
Drake's Creek Marina.
Drake's Creek Marina.
Used to be a floating restaurant there, and it burned, caught fire, and they never rebuilt, and it was really a neat
It
place.
was a neat place.
They'd have live music, and you see those geese?
Yeah.
Geese, and you'll see the occasional family getting out here. Here in the summer, it's this place will be hopping busy. And we're about on that time right now.
Just about. Not quite, but almost. It's starting to pick up.
Lots of little cubby holes to fish in. So it's come Memorial Day weekend. This place will be hopping busy.
And we're gonna try on Memorial Day to cover some of the boat ramps, because they get wild and crazy.
Yeah, we can't wait to see watch the boaters put in their boats and launch them and unlaunch.
Yeah.
And it's a beautiful area. It really is.
It really is.
It's to me, it's the best part of where we live is this lake.
Yeah. It's called Oak Hickory Lake.
And we're in what's called Drake's Creek now. This is
this
little
area.
inlet off of the lake. So the Cumberland River runs smack dab through Oak Hickory Lake, and there's little fingerlet inlets off of the lake, and this is one of them called Drake's Creek. And
Cumberland River is what flows through Nashville as well.
Yes, that's right.
The Cumberland River forms this lake.
Yeah. And I'm sure there's lots of little inlets and fingerlets off the lake, like Drake's Creek here. And it really is a creek because it's so shallow out there. Nice little restaurant there.
Yeah, this is
Moby
I think we
Dickie's.
took them here one time.
Moby Dickie's.
Moby
Good
Dickie's,
seafood.
yeah.